I'm Dr. Schoon, and a number of people have seen great results on the internet from the back system and also that little CD that we play at the clinic. Then they ask, what about your clinic? So we put this CD together for you. I hope you enjoy.
The back system has been helping our patients who come in with severe food allergies. One of our female patients for many years, ever since she was a kid, had a lactose intolerance issue. She was allergic to dairies, which meant that she couldn't enjoy simple things like milk or cheese or everything that dairy goes into. She wasn't even able to have. After just one treatment on the back system, she came in and she was so excited because it was one of the first hottest weekends of summer and she actually was able to enjoy a chocolate shake.
Hello, my name is Shelby and I'm a CA at Schoon Chiropractic Clinic. I'm going to tell you about a few of our many success stories here. The first one is going to be about a lady who came into our clinic talking about having this pressure in her head or brain fog, and she wasn't able to eat normally. She had a very restricted diet, like no wheat, no yeast, anything like that. Now she is able to take a sandwich to work and eat whatever she wants, and she is able to enjoy her kids more now because she's able to think better, more clearly, and just have an all-around better quality of life. Another lady came into our clinic, and after about 5 treatments she said, "Wow, I have never had a better night's rest. I slept like a log." This is after we treated her specifically for sleeping, and she has slept very well ever since. My mom has been treated on the back machine specifically for pineapple. Before, she was severely allergic to pineapple, to the point where we were at my grandma's house. She ate a fruit salad that had some pineapple in it and she didn't know it. She'd only taken one bite, but we were driving home that day and she was sweating. She was holding her stomach because of all the pain that was in there from the pineapple, her body reacting to the pineapple, and was definitely having trouble focusing on the road, to the point where I was actually scared and thought that I should drive. So I told her to pull over. I drove the rest of the way home. After being treated on the backs machine, she's eaten pineapple, and it hasn't just been 1 or 2 pieces. It's been a good sized serving of pineapple, and she's had no problems with it. She goes about her day normally and enjoys that quality of life.
Okay, Robin has been on the backs machine once. Robin, go ahead and tell me all about it.
I did one visit with the backs machine, and I haven't had to take any of my oral allergy medications or my nasal sprays or my eye drops, so I think it's working.
Good. Is that unusual for you?
It is unusual. I was using the oral medications daily for years.
Good.
And the only reason I quit taking those medications is because I'm scheduled for allergy testing this week, so I can't take them, and I was prepared to be miserable, and I'm not.
Hi, I'm Audrey, and I have noticed a big difference in Gary. Mainly, he would get up in the morning and after a good night's sleep and still be tired and sleep more. His disposition is a lot better. He's a lot happier. His scalp was terribly itchy. He was always itching. And within the last couple of weeks, it's really gotten a lot better. Okay, his sleeping habit was he'd go to bed and he'd seem to sleep the night away, but he'd get up in the morning and was just tired.
Okay.
So he'd lay back in bed or in his chair and go back to sleep again. And I'd say, "How can you be tired? You just got out of bed. You had a whole night's sleep," but he would just go back to sleep.
Okay.
He would come home from a treatment and he says, "I don't know what it does to me," but he said, "I just feel different. It makes me feel great, whatever it does."
Okay, my name's Brian. I'm from the Sioux Falls area, and I have a family history of allergies and asthma and stuff like that. I have asthma, and I've always been very allergic to hay. And since taking the backs treatment, I've intentionally exposed myself to hay on several occasions, and while I still don't like the smell, I haven't been getting the reactions that I used to get with it.
My name is John Edmondson, and I've been doing the backs treatment for, boy, I don't know, 6-8 weeks, maybe, something like that. was experiencing a lot of issues with my sinuses, hard breathing at night. For the most part, I'm feeling better, more alert, the breathing's better, I quit using nose spray. So I feel that it's doing what it's supposed to do. I used to have a lot of issues with waking up at night, basically because of my snoring, or to my knowledge because of the snoring, and now I seem to be sleeping more comfortably and through the night, so it also helped in that venue as well.
These are just a few of our success stories here at Schoon Chiropractic Clinic. If you'd like to set up an appointment for you or someone that you know, please feel free to give us a call at 605-582-7333. Again, that's 605-582-7333.